Most people are looking for their calling. Most people are confused, working some kind of a job. Maybe they like it, maybe they don't like it. Most people are trapped in some kind of a spiral of self-made slavery. I am here on the beach, enjoying my purpose in the summertime, just living like I love. And I'm not saying I'm having a leisure time or I'm resting all the time, because at the moment I'm giving you a presentation. Later I will be building around our house, fixing some things, moving the grass. But I have freedom, I have a lot of opportunities, and I'm doing the thing that is mine. And how can you find the thing that is yours? 95% of people are quite close to the thing that they are doing. They are almost doing their own thing, but maybe they have a set of rules that is not serving them. Maybe their environment is not supporting exactly what they are doing, but they are quite close. We are only 1 or 2% off from our real dream or our real goal. So the main instinct of a human is to give, is to serve. But what we got taught in the school, that we must take, give and take. But no, we have to learn, just give. Like a mother gives a birth to a child. Just give, 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 give. And by giving, she receives support, she receives help, she receives food, shelter, etc. A man just has to give to his wife all the world and beyond that. But to understand what is your dream, what is your purpose in life, we must look back to the childhood and understand what we loved to do as a child. Yes, of course, I was a boy also. I loved to be outside, do stupid things, ride on my bike, these girls, etc. But there was one thing that I did naturally. One thing that I was all the time drawing cosmic wars and learning about historical cosmic events. Yeah, that's crazy. And another thing, I was lecturing. I was giving lectures to other kids, talking about God and the purpose in life. I was and the meaning of life. So I was already doing the thing that I am supposed to do, the thing that I am good at, that is natural to me. And at the moment, yes, I'm like this little boy. I'm moving around all days long, jumping from one place to another. But I'm teaching you, I'm telling you the core essence of my work. What's the meaning of life? What's the meaning of each one of us? And it's all about coming closer to our real being. And if you are able to remember what you were good at when you were a child, what you love to do, then you are able to utilize it in your life. Yes, I have gone through all kinds of projects, jobs. I have been a council member in an eco-village association. I have traveled to many places, tried to build an eco-village. I have been in a corporate business, and all the time I have been doing my real thing, and it has been communication. I have been communicating with people. All the jobs, all the work that I have done, they all have been based on communication. Like someone that tells me, "Oh, can you code or make this thing?" And I'm like, "Oh, oh, what about those products? Are they good? Any good?" And I'm like, "Oh, what products? I don't know." But when it's about communicating, giving out the message, the purpose, the vision to the client, then I'm just doing it naturally without anyone even asking. So you can find out those little niches and things that you're doing naturally, and you can start to expand upon them. You can do your little side hustle, your side business, or you can incorporate it into your niche in your main business. And my example is communication, but you may be a programmer, like the coders, they are quite sensible. Or one of my children, he's with the mind of an engineer. He's just building all kinds of stuff from Legos. Yes, I was also making battles and warships, etc. But he's like with the mind of an engineer. He's building different constructions, thinking about them, and then looking into the books and looking into the buildings and setups and he's creating ships and ferries. So his thought is all centered. How can I make objects that are solid and with a structure? And we are homeschooling him because we just cannot tolerate the industrial nature of a normal school. So we are homeschooling him at the moment. But what I realized by observing him is that he will be a great engineer. So slowly we are giving him topics that he can even further expand his thinking about the navigation, about the logistics, and how to build that stuff, what kind of materials to use. For example, we were building together a stone wall outside, so he was seeing how the pieces go together. So his mind is solving technical problems of construction, and when it has a machine in it, then he's so obsessed by it. So most people are quite close to the thing they love, but sometimes they are just doing the wrong job. They are in a little bit wrong place. But if they can shift their focus a little bit, focus on their strengths, never focus on your weaknesses. They are shit. Ignore them, but only your strengths, and try to find the environment that could support the things that you are good at. So this was my important message to you. You are really close to who you are, and you know already what you are good at. And it can be different topics, because I have been also going through many lives in this short period of time. I have had different dreams: to be a musician, to be a footballer, to be a business owner, but they all have revolved around the aspect of communication. So follow your hobby, follow your aspiration, but see what's your strength and build the thing around your strength, or ask for promotion, or in your job specific title that you could solve your greatest problems, the thing you just really are obsessed about, and you will be great, and you will be free, and you can live the life that you want. So I wish you all the best, and check out the 8 exercises for the voice. Goodbye.